Assalamu alaikum. Today I am telling you names of classroom objects. Desk, chair, books, notebooks, pencil case, backpack, scissors, compass, pins, clips, pencils, colored pencil, pencil sharpener, stapler, calculator, ballpoints, highlighter, rubber or razor, scotch tape, paint, palette, paint brushes, protector, set square, ruler, glue, beaker, flash, test tubes, funnel, binders, computer, papers, file holder, map. Computer, papers, file holder, map, magnifying glass, clock, blackboard, and globe. Now listen again all names. Desk, chair, books, notebooks, pencil case, backpack, scissors, compass, pins, clips, pencils, colored pencils, pencil sharpener, stapler, calculator, ballpoints, highlighter, rubber or razor, scotch tape, paint, plate, paint brushes, protector, set square, ruler, glue, beaker, flash, test tubes, funnel, binders, computer, papers, file holder, map, magnifying glass, clock, blackboard, and globe. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.